Aloha everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cree and you're watching my budget journey. So today is a really special video because it's my first Happy Mail video. Yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing some things. So let's get started. I was really thinking about who I wanted to support first and foremost, and who I look up to in the budgeting community. And from the beginning, one of the people who I watched before I even started this journey was Jasmine from BaddiesNBudgets, or OhmyFroBudgets on YouTube. And like, I was obsessed with her channel. When I say that I watched all her videos in like a span of 3 days, I'm not lying. My fiance can vouch for me, but I just really love her channel and I really love what she's about. She's a go-getter. She has goals and she makes them happen, period. So I decided to buy some things from her and we're gonna unbox it together, okay? Okay, let's see what this is. This is so cute. Baddie mail. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I love the packaging first and foremost. Like, what? Okay, oh yeah, so like I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna start savings challenges, and so I decided to get a new binder. So this is gonna be my savings challenge binder. Oh my gosh, I don't know what that sound was, but it was me being excited, I guess. This is so cute. Sorry, y'all, bear with me. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my god!
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm like really big on sunflowers. Sunflowers are my favorites. That and giraffes. But this is so adorable. I love the lettering. So I'm gonna be starting a couple of new challenges. Of course, we have my dollar challenge, which I'm already doing, and then we're gonna have my Christmas challenge. I'm trying to save $1,000 by November 22nd, so that's another challenge that I'm doing. And then I have a $10 challenge that I'm going to be starting, a $50 challenge, and a $100 challenge. And then this envelope is going to be for like monthly challenges if I want to do those. So yeah, these are so cute. I'm just going to put this in here. And one thing that like was really crazy was, I think I ordered this last week, Wednesday or Thursday, and it came in like earlier than expected. I was expecting it to come in like on Wednesday, but it showed up at my door on Monday, and I got the notification and I was like, what the heck, it's in. And I was telling my fiance, I was like, we gotta go home now. But yeah, thank you, Jasmine. I absolutely love my binder. If you don't follow her already, make sure to do so. You should definitely go check out her website too. You can find her on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So yeah, go check her out. Okay, that was it for my unboxing video. If you like this video, click the little like button below, and if you want to continue following me on my debt-free journey, feel free to subscribe. Again, mahalo for watching, and until next time, ahui ho and aloha.